Hey guys, welcome to Web Dev Cloud. Today we are going to look at how to invoke a Lambda function using S3 trigger, so let's get started. For this, click on Create Bucket button, then provide the name and the appropriate region for the bucket, then scroll all the way down and click on Create Bucket button. Since our bucket has been created, let's upload some files to it. Click on this upload button and drag and drop file that you want to upload. Here I am uploading this JPEG image to this bucket. Close upload once file is uploaded, and here you can see your uploaded file. In the next step, let's create Lambda function, so let's search for the Lambda from search at the top and go to Lambda console where we can create our new function. Click Create Function button to create new Lambda function. Provide name of the function, let me call it Lambda Trigger, and choose runtime environment as Python 3.9 for now. Scroll down and check other settings. For now we are good with the default settings. So click on Create Function button. Our Lambda function has been created now, so let's look at its configuration in order to see the default role attached to it. Open this role into the new tab so that we can attach some of the essential policies to it. From Add Permission button, choose Attach Policies and add policies like AWS S3 Full Access and AWS Lambda Basic Execution role, and click on Add Permission button to attach these policies to the existing Lambda role. In the next step, let's create trigger for S3. Click on Trigger and then Add Trigger. Select S3 from the options and select appropriate action of S3 for which you want to trigger the Lambda function. Here we selected Put, so Lambda will trigger on every upload to bucket. Keep other option default and acknowledge the warning at last to avoid recursive Lambda call, and click on Add. Here we can see our Lambda trigger has been configured. Here we have prepared a code snippet which can output the file type of uploaded file in our S3 bucket. In order to test this code, we can create test event configuration. We can provide relevant name along with the template for which we want to test, so here in our case we will choose S3 put. In the JSON down below, we need to modify the bucket name with our bucket name and the key with our file name in order to create the test. In our case the file name we uploaded earlier is beach.jpg. So here we will provide that name. Then we go to top and click on Save and then Test in order to test the event, and here we can see the file type of our file, which is image/JPEG in our case. We can check the same inside CloudWatch logs. So for that we can go to Logs under Monitor tab, and here we can see all the past events here. We can open them in new tab to see the logs. Here in the logs we can see the same content type of our file has been recorded. CloudWatch logs will be helpful when the event will be triggered automatically via S3 bucket file upload. Let us upload one more file of PDF format into our S3 bucket to see the effect. As soon as we upload this file, the Lambda function will be triggered and logs containing file format will be recorded in CloudWatch logs. To check the logs, let's switch to the logs of Lambda and refresh the event logs and open CloudWatch log into the new tab. Here we can see the new content type of our PDF file, application/PDF, has been recorded. So this is how Lambda trigger works over S3 bucket event. If you find the content useful, then kindly consider subscribing the channel. We will see you in the next video. Till then, have a nice time.